Hello YouTube, and today I'm playing Dead Island again, except this time I'm playing the city part of the map, so let's go. Oh, just so you know, I might skip a few parts because this video is going to be pretty long. So I have to go all the way from here, all the way down, right there. So, yeah, it's going to be a long video. Let's go! Yeah. So you may have seen my part 1 or the resort part of this map. If you did, good for you. Alright, come on, come on. Get out of my way! Ho, ho. Way. Ho, ho, ho. Oh crap, that's a lot of zombies. You know, I think it's... Oh, whatever. Speed them up, let's go! Oh! There, I got rid of a few. Get down. Alright, take down this person. Alright, yeah, I got that zombie. Oh, what do you think you're doing? Oh! Get down. Get off. I'm just gonna beat you with my hands down. Get down. Same with you. Get down. Beat you all up. What do you? Get down. Get down. Ah! Jeez, that took a while. Great, more zombies. Jeez, get off. Alright, who's next? Where's my meat puppet? Oh, that's another one down. But it's dust. Oh no. You're gonna... Ah! I'm gonna grab some food to eat. Gosh, this is a scary part of the town. Especially when it's raining. Rain always makes it creepier. Oh look, a hockey mask. Get down. Oh, jeez. That was pretty funny. Oh, get down. What do you want now? Huh? How about you? Yeah, there. I'll teach you. Alright, let's go. Oh, gosh. That doesn't sound good. Excuse me, could you just get right back down? Oh, hi there! Shoot! Oh gosh. Shoot! That guy's really big. I was trying to attract all these zombies together. Oh, looks like I escaped that guy. Oh, get off. Get off of me. Hey! Oh, get off! Oh, what do you want? Took those guys down. I don't think they'll be bugging me. Take her down discreetly. Hey, get down, get down. Ah! Get on the ground. Well, you're dead. Oh, what are you trying to do? I beat you. You're gone now. Yeah, you're getting back down. Kill these guys quickly. Oh gosh. Ugh. Handle them. Alright. Who's next? Oh no, you're getting back right back down. Alright. Oh! Oh, epic kill. Wow. That was BA. You gotta admit, that was pretty freaking BA. Oh, get off! Ah! Ah! Get down. Oh. Gonna kill y'all. Oh! Oh! Get down. Get down. Kill y'all. Kill y'all. Alright. Almost there. Oh no, you're getting back down. Alright. Looks like I barely escaped them. Something's nearby, I can tell. Oh, thank God, I made it. Woo, made it! Oh, shoot. Let's just close this. Oh, okay, safe. Good. Alright. Yeah. Okay. You have to stop that leak. Hold on. Let me just get these tools. Oh. Yeah, I made it. How freaking time. Jeez. That was annoying. Yep. Whoa! What the heck is this? Huh? Dang. Dang. I think I'll trade that in for something. Or maybe not. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, sweet. Yeah, I'm gonna fix some of my weapons. Alright, yeah. That's, oh, look at my crowbar. It looks so good. Alright. Let's get out of here. Yeah. Any missions you want me to do here? What leak? Wait, I don't have any quests for leaks, right? Yeah, okay, yeah. I'm good. Yeah, whatever. Well, let's take it. Come on, Sergeant. Come on, my little doggy. Oh, little doggy. Alright, let's go in. Let me just grab a candy bar. Let's get to this. I'm seriously about to screw up some zombies. Wait a minute. Oh man, I wonder how far I'm gonna get on this. Yeah, let's just drive there. I know this is not gonna work at all. I don't even think I'll be able to travel. Nope, screw that. I'm just gonna track more zombies. Excuse me. Let's get the heck out of here. I gotta hurry up before the zombies I attacked earlier respawn. Let's try my new crowbar out. I like it. Yeah, not bad. I'm gonna just break your leg. Not bad, not bad. Oh, get back down. Get back down. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Hi there, buddy. That works. Second, gotta let out my dog. Come on. Come on. Get out. Get out. Alright, let's get back to this. Oh gosh, I'm burning. Hold on. One second. Ah, screw it. Hey, buddy. Oh, get down! Try to kill me, I killed you. Oh, you want some too? You want some? Ah! I'm gonna slice you up. Get you breakfast. Alright, let's go. literally just attacked me. Jeez. The heck, he literally just attacked me. Let's grab this. This is how we do it. No, I'm not falling for you this time. Get rid of him before he can do anything. Gotcha. Sweet. Here, I'm gonna go off course a little. What the? Oh gosh.
I'm not gonna make it. Can you do something for me? Can you give this to my family? I didn't have a will, so I'ma try. God bless.
That's sad. Okay, well, let me bring these tools back to, oh, what? Where do you... Oh, what do you want? Kill y'all. BA. That was cool. Get down. Get down, girl. Go. Get down. Hey, what? Oh, you get back down. And you. Alright, let's go, 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 go. Quickly! Oh, no, you don't. Yeah, I'm just gonna bust her head open. Alright, almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Now I just gotta... Let's continue on. Oh! I got you! Oh, what? Go. Return to the eternal flame. Oh, yes! Yeah! Yeah! No! Made it. Mission accomplished. Yay, now I can protect us from those undead demons. Woo! Give me my money. Give me my stuff. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, what now? What now?
Oh, we have hammers.
Oh, we have hammers, but no nails. Here, just around the tongue.
Okay.
Wow. There you go.
Oh, this will help.
Thank you so
Look
much.
around the neighborhood.
Here, I just gave him nails. Alright, let's see what's going on up here.
Terrence gave you this?
Oh! Yep. Bad story. Alright. Thank you for watching this video. Let's party! This was made by FoShizzle5000.